Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to be doing a free airsoft giveaway at how many subscribers you can get in a week. So what I'm going to be giving away is that there tactical vest. It has like proper stuff to it, worth £50. Don't know how much in dollars that is, but all you have to do is really comment, and subscribe to my channel. Um, I'll pick the winner from the comments or the subscriptions, whichever one has more. I'll message you over YouTube, and then you tell me your address and all, and I'll send it to your house. That's as simple as possible it can be. But I mean, it can hold them kind of mags. It can hold MP5 mags, M4 mags. I think it can hold. Probably could. You can put more mags and all and stuff onto it, but it's up to you if you really want to comment and stuff like that, but I think so. So all I can say really is good luck, and if you do see this video, it's free, so might as well go for it. And I will be doing, again, if you do subscribe, you're new to my channel, I will do, oh crap, I dropped my gun. I will be doing, um, if I will come, oh, it doesn't work. Yay. Nice. Um, I will be doing, like, what do you call them? I will be doing bit hey, hello. Just a new webcam thing about Medicam. It's probably there. I'm gonna put up my text to my channel font. Just ignore them glasses. Just gonna give you okay. Red. Okay. So X X Pro Air Softing X X and enable text. It's probably there. Oh, let's see. Not sure it's found. Background white. I just make it disappear. I'll make that so it doesn't scroll. Ready? Watch this. No scrolling. I'll see them glass off it. Do it idiotic. 3, 2, 1. There. Um. So yeah, it's all I'm gonna really be doing. I want to see if this works. Just hang with me a minute. I'm going to. If this works, I probably sound like a robot. Wait, electrical robot. I'm just trying to see what this looks like. No effects. So yeah, just really comment, like, subscribe, and if I get like 100 subscribers, I'll do an even bigger giveaway. So comment, like, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video.